How to stop someone from posting on your Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can stop someone from posting on your Facebook profile or timeline. So if you want to prevent someone from posting on your Facebook profile or timeline, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook and log into your account. So once you have been logged into your account, you have to go to the setting, or you have to tap on the hamburger option which is on the top right corner of the screen here, and you have to scroll down and go and select the setting and privacy and tap on the setting. Once you are here, you have to click on the timeline and tagging. Scroll down here and just go for the you have to scroll down and go for your profile and tagging. Once you are on your profile and tagging, you can see the who can post on your profile. So you have to set it to the only me. After that, who can see what other post on your profile, just go for the only me. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily stop someone from posting on your Facebook profile or timeline. So today, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.